Pero pag may garden.
Mommy, you're on video. You're on video.
Yung beard
I can't smile properly because of my sugat.
sparkling yan.
I got into a fight.
Yung tanching ba yun? Tanching.
And thank you for the music.
Censored yung next scene.
Aray! Ba't ang pretty-pretty ng anak ko?
Siyempre, I am your work of art. The teamwork makes the dream work.
Kaya nag-team up kami para magawa ka.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Alam niyo ba sa Baileys ko nalasing ang mami niyo?
Ang ginawa mo nung nasin.
Masero din tayo na hindi na ayaw na sira.
Happy birthday kay Daddy. Happy birthday, Daddy.
Guys. One, two, three. You know.
Pa-check natin yung height ni Ate. Para baka free siya.
Dali, Klang. Pa-check natin yung height ni Clarice.
Abot naman. Oh my wow.
Wow.
Basta sa measurement. Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Are you that small?
Sayang, 50% sound.
Kiss the fish. Ew, what is that?
Makapuno.
Yes.
Makapuno nga.
Wala. Wala. That's coconut.
Pero pag may garden.
Mommy, you're on video. You're on video.
Video ko to.
You guys see her true colors? Ah. I'm so warm. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. What if they charge us? Oh, because we didn't know.
Best birthday mo yung nagot sa ko.
Crab stick.
Who wants to play basketball?
It's dry. It's fine. Guys, I am so full. Me and my friends went to Lawson and then they made me try matcha. And I didn't like it. I don't like matcha. I'm telling them a story. Kasi in Lawson, me and my friends went to Lawson, diba? And then, last week, me and my friends went to Lawson. And then, diba they have like matcha there? They have like matcha. And then, they were like telling me to try it. And I didn't like it. I don't like matcha. Nasuka ako. Guys, I don't like matcha. So if you guys give me matcha, you guys won't receive any gifts from me. Yeah. My eyes can't even be seen.
Yung beard
I can't smile properly because of my sugat.
sparkling yan.
I got into a fight.
Yung tanching ba yun? Tanching sparkling.
I didn't get into a fight. But if I did, I feel like I would have beaten everyone else.
Ano? Hotdog. Grabe, ang dami naman yan.
The twins.
Yan o, niluto ko para sa inyo guys.
Oh, bahaw na ni Char yan sa Lunes.
Strawberry. Avocado.
Blue
Flavor. Of course, this is obvious. Purple. And alam nyo rin to, napaka-obvious na kung anong flavor to. Why?
Kasi yung buhok ni Makuyo.
Ay. Sa vanilla.
White talaga.
White talaga siya. Watermelon, my favorite. Ito pala ako tapos sa ice cream. Okay, tapos. Oh.
It wasn't my fault, ha?
We went to the doon, kumuha kami ng drinks, bumalik kami. I remember.
She doesn't remember na. We're going there, di ba? Kasi nakala ko na ano. Sabi niya, Jun, tara, kuha tayo ng ano. I don't know what she said. Kaya akala ko halo-halo ah. For you guys. Or for her, I forgot. Kumuha siya lang yung ano, pang halo-halo. Binigay niya sa akin. Tapos ano, eh syempre si ate, she got the shot. She saw yung mga drinks at I followed her. Ate yung Chinese sabi ko. Tapos, pagkakuha natin to, bumalik kami sa dessert station. I gave it to ate. Ate, can you make that? And then how to make halo-halo? Tapos niya, sabi niya, oh, what do you want? Sabi ko, ano? Hindi na pinakain.
What do you want?
Kasi, sabi niya sa akin, hindi na siya nakatuloy halo-halo. Kasi ate, she asked if you want.
Nagagawa ng halo-halo, sabi niya, oh, what do you want? Sabi niya, ano, di ako
Ano,
kakain.
sabi ko, do you want natin ay coco? Nagpataw ka.
And then first I wanted na, binigyan lang niya ako ng cup.
Sira ako na sumama na isa.
Then you're like, come.
Oo nga. Ano ka kasi you want eh?
Ay pala yung gusto niya pala is ice cream. Malayo naman.
Eh, sabi ko kay mami, gusto ko ng ice cream. Ito. Sabi niya, oh, try halo-halo kanina dito, di ba? Kaya akala ko gusto ko niya maghalo-halo. Tapos, sabi ko, oh, yun, tatatik ko ako. Ano? Oh, no, I'm not gonna halo-halo. Nakagaroon na ako. Nakagaroon na yung tapos, higit. Tapos dito, lagi na sila, oh, ay, wala kang halo-halo. Story halo-halo. Sarap, 1, 2, 3.
Tingin mo.
Nakabidya pa yan.
Nadiri kayong dalawa.
Daddy's Little Girl. Original Daddy's Little Girl daw.
Anong original? Di forget.
The first Daddy's Little Girl.
Di ba mommy's English ka yung before? You wanna be like mommy before, di ba?
Pati yung ilong mo, di ba?
Ilong mo, tinan mo. Tinan mo, tinan mo ilong.
Ganun mo, tinutubuan ka na ng tigil ng ano rito, ng lunal.
Eto, mama's boy daw to eh.
Oh,
Ikaw may sabi nun.
Little boy.
Little mama's boy.
I will forever be mama's boy. Sabi niya ng ganun. Diba? It was caught on video. It was posted.
Little boy daw. I will be, ano yun? His little boy.
No, he said mama's
Or
boy.
little boy. Ano ba? Gwapo-gwapo ng baby ko.
Si I wanna be.
Yan ang baby ko. Eto. She will sing and dance before the Lord. Eto yung artsy. Artsy to. She's a blessing to the family. Payayamanin tayo nito.
I hope
Ganda. No, I hope so. You declare and claim.
I will.
Amen. Ganda, oh. Mwah. Ito, babe. Busog-lusog.
This one's sugar. It's no sugar pala. Zero pala yun. Yeah, tapos, different sabi ko. Change packaging.
Busog-lusog.
Ay, go, 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 go.
Busog-lusog.
Ay, go, 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 go. Ayun sa ano?
When everything feels like movies, yeah, you need just to know you're right. And I don't want the world to see me, 'cause I don't think that they understand. When everything seems to be okay, I just want you to know I am.
Ginagawa mo.
Baby, I go on to feel tatakot.
I don't know, it just popped in my head.
See? Pag naging creative ka na, gano'n na.
I don't know, it just popped in my head. Tatalon sisi.
Ikaw ang pangalan mo. Alam nilang Crespo. Dahil sa ID mo. Sa ID mo. Thank you.
At ang pangalan ko ha,
Oo, dahil sa ano.
ID.
ID.
May isa ba? May isa pa. Oo nga. Alam ko gumagdance sila eh.
Happy birthday!
Bayan mo kung tanga to. Wala ka dyan. Nagulat ako kasi dati pala. Nagulat ako lang ba yung pag-iwas?
Sabi ko, seryoso ba ito? Tatayo kami? Patayo na siya. Hindi ba yun?